If you love cook with fresh ingredients, you'll love this. Today we are looking at Havells NutriGrind 400 watts wet and dry grinder. This NutriGrind built to deliver hygienic, healthy and stone grounded goodness right into your kitchen. Let's start with the design. The Havells NutriGrind has also won the German Design Award at 2024 for its smart and user-friendly design. This means not it's just powerful but also recognized worldwide for its innovation and style. The Havells NutriGrind actually comes packed into two separate boxes. One carries the main motor unit along with wet grinding drums, and the other box comes with dry grinding drums along with stone attachment. This double box packing makes sure everything is well protected during delivery. The NutriGrind has a solid and premium build quality. The body is made up of ABS engineering plastic which is sturdy and long lasting. The NutriGrind is powered by a 400 watts high torque induction motor. Unlike regular mixer grinder which uses universal motor, an induction motor is designed for first durability for long hours of grinding, and second part is efficiency. Consumes less power compared to its output. Main advantage is it's silent and smooth, runs with less noise and low vibration, and at last it has low maintenance in this NutriGrind. Let's start with dry grinding. Now here's the highlight, the authentic stone based grinding. The natural stone grinds your ingredients slowly and evenly, just like a traditional stone grinding at your home. This ensures it's hygienic and also preserve the nutrients without generating excess heat while compared to the regular mixer grinder. Comparing to the regular mixer grinder, which runs at very high speed and often heats up, which ends to the loss in nutrition. Here in dry grinding mode, it runs about 1400 rpm and it is strong enough for spices, pulses and even for coffee beans, with still retaining the natural oils and aromas in the ingredients. And you can also switch between the fine to coarse mode based upon your usage for your food. And the dry grinding will be perfect for your spices, masalas, pulses and even for nut powders also. The second grinding mode is about wet grinding. The wet grinding drum is made up of SS304 stainless steel, which is safe, hygienic and rust free. Inside you will find the natural sandstone grinding stones which make the NutriGrind so special. In wet grinding mode, the stones rotate at a gentle speed of about 140 rpm, slowly grind into ingredients just like the traditional stone grinders. This slow process keeps your batter cool, preserves nutrition, aroma and taste, which gives you a authentic fluffy textures perfect for idli, dosa, chutney or masala paste. It has a capacity of 1 liter and you can use about 200 to 300 grams on a single usage. So to wrap it up, the Havells NutriGrind 400 watts wet and dry grinder is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a perfect blend of both wet and dry grinding along with a powerful induction motor which ensures your food not only tasty but also have a healthy, hygienic and nutrition rich food. If you are looking at a reliable grinder that combines performance, durability and award-winning design, this is definitely worth having on your kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.